Wood textures carry beautiful natural patterns, and sharpening them properly can reveal stunning detail. Today, how to create detailed wood textures. Open Adobe Photoshop and create a canvas around 3400 by 2600 pixels at 300 dpi. Import your wood surface photograph and duplicate the background layer so the original remains protected. Zoom closely into the wood grain where lines and rings are clearly visible. Open the Camera Raw filter and increase texture slightly while adjusting clarity to bring out the grain patterns. Duplicate the layer and apply Filter, Other, High Pass with a radius around 1.8 to 2 pixels, then switch the blend